Ready to boost your income with AI? Dive into the ultimate side hustle guide. Are you tired of the daily grind and ready to take control of your financial future? Look no further. How to make money with AI and Chat GPT is your passport to unlocking the immense potential of AI-driven side hustles and creating a stream of income that works for you, not the other way around. Discover 25 unique side hustles. Explore a treasure trove of innovative side hustle ideas, each harnessing the power of AI, from content creation wizards to marketing maestros, customer service champs, and beyond. There's a side hustle for everyone. Passive income made simple. Learn how to turn AI into your financial ally, generating passive income streams that put money in your pocket while you sleep. Imagine waking up to a bank account that's grown overnight. It's not a dream, it's a reality you can achieve. Ethical entrepreneurship. We're not just about profits. We're about integrity. Discover how to run an AI-powered side hustle with honesty, transparency, and respect, ensuring trust and long-term success with your customers. Scale your hustle to new heights. Take your side hustle to the next level with advanced scaling and monetization strategies. Transform your side gig into a full-fledged business and secure your financial future. Achieve financial freedom and fulfillment. Your journey begins here. Learn how to attain financial freedom and fulfillment by leveraging AI and ChatGPT's limitless potential. Continuous learning and mentorship. Stay ahead of the curve by keeping up with the latest AI trends and technologies. Plus, discover the art of mentorship and help others succeed in their AI-powered side hustles. Your future as an AI entrepreneur. The world of AI entrepreneurship is ripe with opportunities. With the tools, knowledge, and mindset provided in this book, your success as an AI entrepreneur is guaranteed. Don't let your financial dreams remain dreams. How to make money with AI and ChatGPT, the ultimate side hustle idea. 25 ways to make money with AI and ChatGPT. Learn how to earn passive income and grow a successful side hustle in your spare time using AI is your ALAX's pass to the world of AI-powered side hustles. Start your journey today and watch your bank account grow while you enjoy the freedom you deserve. Unlock your financial potential with AI. Get the book now. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more tips on navigating the future of work. See you in the next one.